case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 2001 case that brought to light the importance of truthfulness in an employee's application process versus their protection under Title VII, the Vermont Supreme Court ruled against Robert Sarvis, a convicted felon who was fired from his job at Vermont State Colleges. Sarvis had argued that his dismissal was unjust, citing that he should be protected by Title VII. He asserted that he had been treated differently based on his criminal history, a protected characteristic. However, there was a twist. The court unearthed that Sarvis had lied about his criminal record whilst applying for his job. He claimed to be the president and chairman of a company during a period in which he, in reality, was serving out a prison sentence. His dismissal, the court determined, stemmed from this fraudulent inducement to employment contracts. Further strengthening the case against Sarvis, the court discovered that he also falsified his work history and references, providing an additional ground for rescinding his employment contracts. The findings established that not only had he provided fraudulent information during the hiring process, but also failed to prove the discriminatory treatment he claimed under Title VII. In the appeal, Sarvis argued against what he viewed as an erroneous finding of just cause for his termination. He protested that his criminal history should have lent him the protection of Title VII. However, the court ruled that Title VII protection does not extend to employment decisions based on criminal history. It further deemed his dishonesty during the hiring process, coupled with his criminal background, as sufficient grounds for just cause termination, as well as the rescission of his employment contracts. Upholding the decision of the lower court, the Supreme Court confirmed that it was Sarvis's deliberate concealment of his criminal past that was the primary reason for his dismissal. His Title VII discrimination claim was therefore dismissed due to lack of substantiated proof, and his employment termination justified.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.